right. Okay, so if my nails are 10 millimeters long and I need my nails to triple, then that means I need to have 10 times 3 equals 30 millimeters. But that's how long my nails are going to be. So I need to think, how long are my nails actually going to grow? So if they end at 30 millimeters, and they need to, and I already have 10 millimeters, then they're going to grow 20 millimeters. So I need to see how long will it take my nails to grow 20 millimeters. So if I use a ratio table, I'm going to think, what units do I have? And my units are millimeters and 1 month. And I'm trying to find out how much my nails grow. So I don't want to start with the 10 millimeters because that's not how much they grew. They only grow 3 millimeters per month. So that's my ratio. 3 millimeters, and that doesn't in 1 month. And I need to try to get to 20. So I'm thinking, what can I do to 3 to get to 20? I could keep adding 3 up here, but then down here I would add 1 month because it's 3 millimeters for 1 month. So that would be 3 plus 3 is 6, 1 plus 1 is 2. And I could continue to do that. Add 3, so 6 plus 3 is 9, and 2 plus 1 month would be 3 months. And I could continue doing that until I got to 20. Whoops, plus 1, 15, 18, 21. So now I've gotten to 21 millimeters, but I don't want to get all the way to 20 millimeters. I want to get to 20 millimeters. So I know it's going to be somewhere in between 6 and 7. And if I know that it grows a total of 3 millimeters in that 1 month, I can break 6 and 7 up into three pieces. Because then it would grow 1 millimeter, 1 millimeter, 1 millimeter. So if 6 is 18, then this would be 19, and that would be 20. So it would be 6 and 2/3 months. Okay. Do you think that's enough of that? Yeah.
Also, if you're looking at your ratio table, the thing that you should notice is that 3/1 is the same as saying 6/2, is the same as saying 9/3, is the same as saying 12/4. Those are all equivalent ratios.
All right, so then I would use another strategy, proportions, set up my ratio, or a tape diagram, or I could even do another ratio table with millimeters and months, but do it a different way by maybe multiplying by 2 or multiplying by 3 to get up there. That would be fine as another strategy as well. Okay, for number 2, it tells me that my fingernails grow 3.5 times faster than toenails. So to me, this means that 3.5 times some number is going to equal 3 millimeters. So I need to figure out what that sum number is, and I can do inverse operations, do the opposite of multiplication, and figure that out. Now for number 3, it tells me that the world record was 9.85 meters long, but my measurements are in meters, or in millimeters, so I need to multiply that by 1,000. So if I do 9.85 times 1,000, this will give me my answers in millimeters, and the answer is, wait for it, 9,850. I know, I'm just kidding. Okay, 9,850 millimeters. And that's how much he had for all of his nails. But he has 10 nails altogether, so then I would divide this by 10, and I would get 985 millimeters for one nail. Okay. So now I want to know how long would it take my nails that were originally 10 millimeters to equal 985 millimeters. And I know that my nails grow 3 millimeters in 1 month. But my nails don't need to grow 985 millimeters. They need to reach 985 millimeters. So I would do 985 minus 10. And so I need to find out how long will it take my nails to grow 975 millimeters. And I can use the same strategies that I used in number 1.